In this video, we will show how to install Hunter Xci FlexShield, a self-adhering flexible flashing membrane for windowsills. We start this application with a base wall covered with any Hunter Xci Polyiso product. In this example, we are showing Xci ply. After installation, Hunter Xci ply is covered with an air and water-resistant barrier. We recommend Hunter VPSA WRB. Hunter Xci Vapor Permeable Self-Adhering Water-Resistant Barrier is installed in either a horizontal or vertical direction on top of the Hunter Xci Polyiso product. When installing the WRB, note the overlap lines on the barrier to ensure that when each row of barrier is installed, there is a minimum of a 3-inch overlap. Also, when installing the WRB, it is good practice to stagger your barrier seams from the seams of the Xci ply. See the Hunter Xci VPSA WRB installation video or printed installation instructions for more information. Install Hunter Xci VPSA WRB right over your window opening. Use a utility knife to make a vertical cut down the center of the opening and top and bottom of the center cut. Fold the flaps of the WRB inward tightly against the inside window edge. Ensure the windowsill has at least a slight slope toward the exterior and that the surface is clean and dry. Prepare Hunter Xci FlexShield by measuring and cutting a length that is 12 inches longer than the window opening. FlexShield will run along the windowsill and 6 inches up each jamb. Remove the inner portion of the release liner from the back of the cut FlexShield piece and center in the windowsill opening. Center and place FlexShield in windowsill. Starting in the center of the sill, apply pressure moving in an outward direction to each corner and up the jamb. Remove outer portion of the release liner and fold FlexShield outward to wrap the exterior wall surface, providing pressure to ensure a good bond. Use a J-roller to ensure adhesion. Apply sealant to the top exposed edges of FlexShield at its termination on the window jambs, and use a trowel to smooth out the bead of sealant. Apply sealant up the jambs on both sides and across the window header. Once installed, the sealant should approximately align with the fastening holes of the window flange. An alternative method is to apply sealant to the inner sides and top of the window flange prior to placing the window in the rough opening. Insert window. Shim, plumb, and screw in place per window manufacturer's instructions. Apply a minimum 4-inch wide strip of Hunter Xci VPSA WRB over the window flange on the sides and top only. WRB strips should be attached on sides first and across the top to provide shingled laps with the top strip overlapping wider and longer than the side strips. A J-roller must be used to roll the surface of the WRB upon application for proper adhesion and securement. Apply sealant to the exposed side and top edges of the WRB header strip and trowel flat. Contact Hunter Panels today for more information on Hunter Xci FlexShield, Hunter Xci Polyiso products, Hunter Xci VPSA WRB, and other complementary accessories, or visit hunterpanels.com.